Imagine tearing down the machine that made you a billionaire just to build something entirely unproven. This is the reality currently unfolding at Tesla's historic Fremont factory in California. For the first time in over 2 decades, Tesla has reported a significant annual revenue decline, with electric vehicle sales dropping by 10%. Instead of retreating or playing it safe, Elon Musk is officially pulling the plug on the iconic Model S and Model X assembly lines. These were the very vehicles that defined the modern electric era, but they are being cleared away to make room for a massive production facility dedicated to the Optimus Gen 3 humanoid robot. This is not a mere concept or a digital render for a presentation. Tesla's stated goal is to manufacture 1 million humanoid robots per year from this single location. We are witnessing a trillion-dollar pivot that represents the boldest and riskiest gamble in the history of modern manufacturing. To understand the scale of this move, we have to look at the history of the Fremont facility. This factory is hallowed ground for the electric vehicle movement because it is where the first Model S was delivered in 2012. However, the automotive landscape has shifted dramatically. The electric vehicle market is now heavily saturated, and aggressive competitors like China's BYD are dominating the entry-level space. Faced with slipping margins and cooling demand for luxury sedans, Musk made the difficult call to end the era of the Model S and X at this location. The mayor of Fremont recently confirmed that Tesla chose this specific campus to be the nerve center for the Optimus manufacturing line. They are currently retooling a massive portion of the factory to transition from building 2-ton cars to building human-sized autonomous machines. The production target of 1 million units annually is staggering when compared to the rest of the industry. Most legacy robotics companies consider it a massive success if they sell a few thousand units in a year. Tesla is attempting to treat physical artificial intelligence like a mass-market consumer electronics product, aiming for the same scale they achieved with the Model Y. The machine replacing the cars is the Optimus Gen 3. Tesla has completely redesigned this robot from first principles to ensure it is optimized for mass production. This is a far cry from the early prototypes. The new Gen 3 units feature highly articulated hands with 22 degrees of freedom, which allows them to handle delicate objects with human-like precision. These robots are powered by Tesla's proprietary AI 5-chip and integrate the Grok large language model for enhanced cognitive processing. But the real breakthrough is not just the hardware. It is the training methodology. Musk recently revealed that Optimus Gen 3 is a general-purpose robot capable of learning entirely through observation. You do not need to write thousands of lines of custom code to teach it a specific task. Instead, a human can physically demonstrate a movement or show the robot a video of a process, and the neural networks will replicate that task. Tesla has already been running internal pilots where these bots sort battery cells and move materials within their own factories. Every robot that steps off the Fremont line will share a collective hive mind, meaning the entire fleet gets smarter every single day, based on the data gathered by every individual unit. Tesla is targeting a price point of roughly $20,000 to $30,000 per robot, which would make it accessible to a vast range of industries. This pivot comes at a highly sensitive financial time for the company. Tesla recently reported a total revenue drop to $94.8 billion. This 3% decline marks their first revenue drop in over 20 years, and Wall Street analysts are sharply divided on the path forward. Some view this as a desperate pivot away from a cooling car market, while others see it as the birth of a brand new industrial era. Musk has stated that in the future, 80% of Tesla's corporate value will come directly from the Optimus program. This means the man who built the most valuable car company on Earth believes the cars will eventually be a minority of the business. The financial implications are massive. If Tesla successfully scales to 1 million robots a year at a $30,000 price point, it represents $30 billion in new hardware revenue annually. This does not even account for the recurring software and maintenance fees that would follow. It would transform Tesla from an automotive manufacturer into the world's primary supplier of physical labor. However, the risks are equally large. Investors are concerned that Tesla is mortgaging its future on a product that is still technically in the research and development phase. The company is also facing fresh legal pressures and regulatory scrutiny over its self-driving claims, making this a dangerous time to launch an entirely new class of autonomous machines. The impact of the Fremont pivot extends far beyond Tesla's stock price. We are witnessing the dawn of physical artificial intelligence, and the entire manufacturing world is scrambling to adapt. While some fear that automation will lead to job losses, Tesla claims this retooling will actually increase headcount in the short term as they build out the necessary infrastructure. But the competition is not standing still. Hyundai is pushing its electric Atlas through Boston Dynamics, positioning it as a direct competitor to Optimus. Startups like Figure AI are already deploying units in BMW plants in Europe. The race for the automated factory floor is the new space race. Whoever can reliably manufacture these machines at scale while keeping costs low will essentially control the future of physical labor. Tesla has the manufacturing pedigree, but building a walking machine is fundamentally different than building a car on wheels. Scaling to 1 million units will require navigating complex supply chain issues, as every Optimus contains roughly 10,000 individual components. What we are watching is the transition from narrow artificial intelligence to embodied artificial intelligence that can manipulate the physical world. Tesla tearing down the Model S assembly line is a physical monument to the end of the traditional automotive era and the beginning of the robotics age. The stakes have never been higher for the company or the global economy. If Elon Musk is right, Optimus will be the most significant product in human history and will fundamentally alter how we work and live. If he is wrong, he has dismantled a proven revenue stream in pursuit of a science fiction dream. This transition marks the moment when the world's most famous car company decided to stop being a car company and start building the future of labor. Thanks for watching.